What's up?
What's up?
Hey man, how you doing?
Do I know you?
Yes, you just said what's up back.
Do you hear a noise?
Yay. It's kinda a good beat.
Yeah, it sounds like it's coming from the great beyond.
Dude, seriously you gotta stop going hippie on me.
Sorry.
Hee yay.
Alright, start singing, bro.
Okay. Now, this is the story all about how my life got flipped turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute to just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Ooh yay, in West Philadelphia, born and raised, and the playground was where I spent most of my day chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of school when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. He got in one little fight and my mom got courage, said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air."
Yay. Crap, forgot the lyrics.
Seriously?
Nope. I begged and pleaded with her day after day, but she packed my suitcase and sent me on my way. She gave me a kiss and then she gave me my ticket. I put my Walkman on and said, I might as well kick it. First class. Yo, this is Bay drinking orange juice out of a champagne glass. Is this what the people of Bel Air living like? This might be alright. But wait, I hear the pussy, booze, wine. Is this the type of place that they should send this cool cat? I don't think so. I'll see when I get there. I hope they're prepared for the Prince of Bel Air. Well, the plane landed, and when I came out there was a dude who looked like a cop standing there with my name out. He ain't trying to get arrested yet. I just got here. I sprang with the quickness, like lightning. The SAP already whistled for a cab, and when it came, North license plate said fresh and it had dice in the mirror. If anything I can say is that this cab was rare, but I thought, man, forget it. Yo, home to Bel Air. I pulled up to the house about 7 or 8.
Dude.
What?
You didn't give me time to sing.
Well, so alright.
Bye. Folks, see you next time.